Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can download text from a file on the internet and print it out in your Java console. Let's get right into it. I have got a pastebin and I'm viewing it in raw mode, so we're just viewing the text file that's stored on pastebin, and I've got some text. And we're going to print out this text in our Java program. So we're going to be downloading text from the internet. So firstly, we need to import these four libraries at the top of our code. We'll be needing them for this tutorial. So firstly, in our main method, we're going to be making a try-catch statement. So basically, we're going to execute some code in the try. If an error occurs, instead of crashing the program, we're going to execute what's inside the catch. And in this case, we'll print out the error. Then in the catch, we're going to do string file URL equals then the URL of the file containing text that you want to read. In my case, I've got a raw pastebin link, but it could be, I don't know, a text file that's stored on GitHub Pages, or maybe a raw view of a Google Sheets document. And then we're going to do URL equals new URL, and then file URL is passed in. Here, we're saying, take the address that we've got, and understand it's an actual place on the internet that we can visit. Now, we've got a bit of code here, so we're going to do try, input stream is, and is is short for input stream, equals url.openstream. And then we're going to do bufferedReader br equals new bufferedReader new input stream reader is, which is our input stream here, and then a bunch of brackets, and then two curly brackets. So basically, this is going to be reading the data from wherever it's stored. And then bufferedReader br equals new bufferedReader new input stream reader is. This is just a more organized way of handling data, as the text will come in chunks rather than all at once. Then we're going to do string line, and then we can go into do while line equals br.readLine not equal to null system.out.println line. So string line is going to be the variable that stores the current line we're reading. And this basically means, right, if there's another line in the buffered reader, we're going to do what's ever inside this loop. And so this is how we can loop through an entire buffered reader, all the lines in it, and then stop when we've run out of lines. And we're just going to print out the line. However, if you're familiar with other tutorials I've done, you could process this data. Maybe you want to split it up by delimiters. Maybe you want to write it to a file. Maybe you want to check if the data is equal to something. You can do all of that, but for now we're just going to print out the data to the console. And that's it for this quick tutorial, so we're going to save our work and hit play. And it's printed out all of the text that you saw in the pastebin. Now what if we do a URL that doesn't exist? Well, then we get this, because it couldn't find a file on the internet at that address. So, thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.